If your tracking says expected delivery by 9 p.m., here's what that really means.
It means USPS plans to complete all deliveries on that route before 9 p.m.
Most residential mail arrives by 5 p.m., but busy days can push it later.
High mail volume, staffing shortages, or bad weather can delay deliveries until 9 p.m. For most services, this is just an estimate, not a guaranteed delivery time.
Only Priority Mail Express comes with a money-back delivery guarantee.
If your tracking does not say out for delivery, it likely won't arrive that day.
That usually means the package is still at a distribution center.
In most cases, your package arrives around the same time as your regular mail. If it was out for delivery but didn't show up by 9 p.m., don't panic. If it's missing for more than 24 hours, submit a missing mail search request.